Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Microsoft Store error 0x87E10BD0 in Windows 11 device. Let's fix it guys. For that you just want to right click on the run, right click on the start icon and select run, and in run you just want to type percentage win percentage win dir percentage again percentage win dir percentage again, click OK. If you find anything named as AU installer, you just want to delete it guys. AU installer install agent, AU install agent, you find it means you just want to delete it. If you can't able to find it, you just want to create it. For that, right click on the blank area, right click on it, select new, select folder, select continue, select yes. Now name this folder as AUI, caps letter AUI NSTALL, install agent, A caps letter AGENT, AUI caps letter NSTALL, A caps letter AGENT, press enter, click OK, click yes. Now after creating it guys, close out of here and go ahead and open the Microsoft Store. Hopefully that can able to resolve it, but if you not get resolved, go to search menu and type ws reset, opens up command run command, click on ws reset run command, click on it, wait for it guys. Hopefully this can able to resolve a problem guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.